Good evening, viewers. Meghalaya today recorded 33 new positive cases and 39 new recoveries. With these new positive cases, the state now has 599 active cases and 252 recoveries. The 33 new cases include 27 in East Khasi Hills, of which 16 are from among civilians. Of these 33 cases, 27 are from East Khasi Hills, which includes 16 from among civilians, 8 from the armed forces and 3 from the BSF. West Garo Hills 1, Ribhoi 3, East Jaintia Hills 1 and West Khasi Hills 1. Briefing reporters on Saturday, Director of Health Services Dr. Aman War said, out of the 16 cases among civilians, 4 are nurses from the Civil Hospital Shillong, 2 are attendants of patients at the Civil Hospital, 1 patient again at the Civil Hospital, 7 are from among returnees and 2 are from a positive case detected from the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences. The newly recovered cases include 38 from the BSF and 1 from among the civilians. The new positive cases also include 1 BSF from West Garo Hills, 3 from Ribhoi, of which 2 are from the armed forces and 1 from the Meghalaya Police, 1 shopkeeper from Lat Rambai in East Jaintia Hills, and 1 returnee from Assam in West Khasi Hills.
Very good evening. The bulletin for today, as of 1st August 2020, 1 p.m. The total number of new positive cases is 33. Out of this 33, East Khasi Hills 27. Out of this 27, 16 are others, 8 armed forces and 3 BSF. West Garo Hills 1, Ribhoi District 3, 2 armed forces and 1 other, East Jaintia Hills 1 and West Khasi Hills 1. The total number of active cases is 599. East Khasi Hills 496. BSF 218. Others 224. Armed Forces 54. West Khasi Hills 5. Southwest Khasi Hills 0. Ribhoi 46. West Jaintia Hills 14. East Jaintia Hills 16. West Garo Hills 16. Southwest Garo Hills 4. South Garo Hills 2. The total number of recovered cases for the day is 39. 38 is BSF and 1 from the others. So that takes a total of 252 recovered cases till date. And total number of deaths till date as of today is still 5. The number of samples sent for testing is 37,728. Number of persons who tested negative, 36,341. The number of test results awaited is approximately 531. the total number of entrants into the state as of today 2 p.m. is 24,344. Okay, the new cases 33, East Castles we said 27, 4 head staff of civil hospital, 1 is a patient at civil hospital, 2 are attendants of patients at civil hospital Shillong, 7 are returnees, 2 Negrams contact, 8 armed forces and 3 BSF. These are from East Castles, 27 altogether. West Garo Hills, 1 from BSF, Ribhoi 3, 1 from Meghalaya Police and 2 from Armed Forces. East Jaintia Hills is a vendor at Ladrambai Market. West Khasi Hills, 1 returnee from Assam.